Are your Gmail labels all over the place, making it hard to find what you need quickly? In today's guide, I'll show you how to change the order of your Gmail labels in just a few simple steps so you can organize your inbox exactly how you like it. First, open your Gmail inbox and look at the list of labels on the left-hand side. Hover over the label you want to move, and you'll see three small dots appear to the right of its name. Click on these dots to open a menu of label options. Next, select Edit from the menu. This opens the Label Settings window. Here's the trick. Instead of changing the label's name, add a number in front of it. This number acts as a priority guide. Labels with lower numbers appear higher on your list. For example, if you want a label to be first, type 1 before its name, then assign numbers to the rest of your labels according to the order you want. Once you've added your numbers, click Save. Your labels will instantly reorder based on the numbers you entered. You can repeat this process for any other labels, giving you full control over your Gmail organization. This method is simple, flexible, and perfect for anyone who wants to streamline their inbox. If you ever want to adjust the order, just update the numbers and Gmail will automatically rearrange your labels. Now, your most important labels are right where you need them, making email management faster and more efficient. Take a few minutes to experiment with the order, and you'll notice how much smoother your Gmail workflow can be. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.